In this video, I will show you how I created this simple but powerful office task tracker in Excel. It has clean layout, clear structure, and instant performance tracking. And don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build it yourself. Let's start from scratch. First, zoom in the sheet up to 150%. Then create a clear title at the top, Office Task Tracker. Always give your sheet a proper heading. Next, I added the main columns. Then activities and tasks to do. After that, I inserted weekday columns from Monday to Friday, and finally a tasks done column. It makes your file look professional and organized. Now comes the practical part. I adjusted all of the columns' width. Now merge title cells and format it. Then, format column headings. Give a background color to weekday headings. Under Activities, I entered the actual office tasks. Things like reporting, follow-ups, data entry, meetings, whatever your daily workflow includes. I also filled in the serial numbers to keep everything structured. Once the data was in place, I applied clean borders. And used proper alignment so everything looks neat and easy to read. Presentation matters, even in Excel. Then comes the smart part. In the weekday columns, instead of typing text like done or pending, I used conditional formatting with icon sets. Use custom rule here. Change icon style. Change type to number and task completion value to 1. So now, when a task is completed, you see a green check mark. If not, it shows a red cross. One quick glance, and you instantly know the status. After that, I am calculating the total tasks completed out of 5 working days. Using a simple formula of COUNTIF, Excel counts how many days were marked as completed. Then I calculate the tasks to do percentage. See the formula. This tells us how much of the weekly target is to be achieved for each task. To make it visually powerful, I am adding data bars. First, select Tasks to Do column. Change type to Formula. Keep minimum value 0 and maximum 1. Make bar color orange. And direction from right to left. Now format the values. Next, add data bars and tasks completion column. Change type to Formula. Keep minimum value 0 and maximum 1. Make bar color green. And direction from left to right. Format the values. And here's the final result. A fully functional weekly office task tracker. Easy to update, easy to monitor, and perfect for improving productivity. You can use this for your office, your team, or even personal goals. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel Center of Best Learnings. Let's keep learning and building smarter tools with Excel.